So in question number 6, one parallelogram is given. This parallelogram is given and its vertices 1, 2 and 4y. Another vertices is given as a x and 6. Another is given as a 3 and 5. Okay, so it is asked that okay, find this value of x and y. You can see these are unknown here. Okay, so these are okay. So the one hints here is given as a this is a parallelogram, correct? This data is given. So from there we have to get the required information. Which of the property we should use? Parallelogram. Okay, so parallelogram has a one nice property where two diagonals they bisect each other. That means if this is the point where they intersect, so this is a midpoint of this diagonal. So if this is a b c and d point, so this point, say this is a midpoint, say m. Okay, so this midpoint, so here this is the midpoint of AC and this is also midpoint of BD. So what we'll use that, okay, we know the midpoint formula. So for midpoint of AC, okay, so from AC we'll find the midpoint, and you know the midpoint formula. Midpoint x will be x1 plus x2 by 2. Same way y will be y1 plus y2 by 2. So these are the midpoint formula. Okay, so this midpoint formula, if we apply for these 2 points, so how it looks like. So this formula for x formula, if we use for these 2 points, so your midpoint will be 1 plus x by 2 and 2 plus 6 by 2. Same way for BD. Okay, for BD also if we use that, so we have to write here for this is for AB. For BD, again if we use the midpoint formula from BD, it is 3 plus 4 by 2 x coordinate of this, and y coordinate is 5 plus y by 2. Okay, now from this side also, this is also midpoint, and from this side, so that means this point and this point is actually, it is indicating the same point. So this is actually 7 by 2. Okay, so now our next part of the calculation, what we will do here is that we will use next part of calculation is these and these are same. So 1 plus x by 2 equal to here, this is 7 by 2. So 7 by 2. Okay, so this 2 can be cancelled. So 1 plus x equal to 7. So x equal to 7 minus 1, this is 6. Okay, same thing for here y. So 5 plus y by 2 equal to 6 plus 2 8 by 2. So that means 5 plus y equal to 8. So y equal to 8 minus 5, this is 3. So x equal to 6, and y equal to 3. So this is the x and y value too. So okay, so let us see from the beginning. We are using this, we must write actually that diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Okay, so the bisect is this is the middle point, midpoint. So then for we have written midpoint formula, and for these 2 points we have used midpoint for AB, for sorry, this is for AC, this is for AC, and this is for BD. So for AC we have written 1 plus x by 2 and 2 plus 6 by 2, and for these also midpoint is 3 plus 4 by 2 and 5 plus y by 2. Then these and these will be equal, and these and these will be equal, because they are indicating the same point only. So from there we have to solve that, and we have to find the value of x and y.